Whoa! Boom!
Not too shabby for a 30-year-old arcade game.
Look at that guy. That's an arcade game, guys.
Look at that. Dang.
Wow.
$30 from an arcade game.
And if you guys think that one's a lot, or the second one rather, because we already had checked that other one. Got a little bit of quarters in there.
Nice.
Good stuff. Let's check the cash. $1. $15.25, right on. Not too bad for its first 5 days. All right, let's check his brother, sister, whatever. Nice. More quarters. Oh,
Dang.
that didn't even look like that much in that little tiny thing. Whoa, that was misleading. How much cash? Oh yeah, that one's got more cash. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, $33.50. Man, this is filling up big, guys.